Hello guys, welcome to Smart Home. This is Ali Reza and this video is about how to change handing of Schlage keyless door lock. As an example, you may have a right-handed keyless door lock from Schlage, but your door is left-handed. You can easily convert your keyless door lock to left-handed. How? The procedure is very easy. You have to reset the door lock to factory default and program it again. Stay with me to watch the procedure. By the way, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click the subscribe button to watch more videos about smart devices. This is Schlage keyless door lock. I have assembled it as if it's for right-handed door. I lock it, it is locked, unlock it, it's working properly and correct. Now let's assemble it in a way that it is for left-handed door. Now I have assembled the door lock for left-handed doors, but trying to unlock it, it's not working properly. In order to change the setting of door lock, you have to reset the door lock to factory default and reprogram it. To do so, for resetting the door lock, you have to disconnect the battery, then press and hold the Schlage button on the exterior panel. While holding it, by connecting the battery, the lock is reset. Let's do it. Okay, I disconnect the battery power. The battery is disconnected. I press and hold the Schlage button, then connect the battery. Green LED blinks 3 times, indicating that reset is successful. Now we have to reprogram the door. Now I have reset the door lock to factory default. It's time to reprogram the door lock. To reprogram it, you have to enter one of the pin codes, default pin codes. Okay, I enter the first pin code. It programmed itself. Now by pressing the Schlage button, it is locked, and entering pin code, it is unlocked. And it's ready to be mounted on left-handed door. I hope you have found this video informative. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye bye.